island entire of itself. Every man is a piece of the continent, a part of the main. If a clod be washed away by the sea, Europe is the less. As well as if a promontory were, as well as if a manor of thy friends or of thine own were. Any man's death diminishes me, because I am involved in mankind, and therefore never send to know for whom the bell tolls. It tolls for thee.
They came down to the mouth of the cave, where a light shone out from the edge of a blanket that hung over the opening. The 2 packs were at the foot of the tree covered with a canvas. Robert Jordan picked up the packs and carried them into the cave. It was warm and smoky inside. There was a table along one wall with a candle stuck in a bottle on it, and at the table were seated Pablo, 3 men he did not know, and the gypsy Raphael. The woman of Pablo was standing by the fire in the corner of the cave. The girl knelt by her, stirring in an iron pot.
"What do you carry?"
Pablo asked.
"My things,"
Robert Jordan said, and set the 2 packs down.
"I do not like to have dynamite here in the cave,"
Pablo said.
"It is far from the fire,"
Robert Jordan said. Anselmo brought him a stool, and he sat down at the table. "How goes it, gypsy?" he said to Raphael. "Good," the gypsy said. Robert Jordan could tell they had been talking about him when he came in.
"Is there wine?"
Robert Jordan asked.
"There is little left,"
Pablo said sullenly. Robert Jordan decided he had better look at the other 3 and try to see where he stood.
"In that case, let me have a cup of water."
He called to the girl.
"Bring me a cup of water."
She went to a kettle containing water and dipped a cupful and put it down before him. Robert Jordan smiled at her. He reached his hand down toward his hip pocket, where the pistol was, and Pablo watched him.
Нет человека, который был бы как остров, сам по себе. Каждый человек есть часть материка, часть суши. И если волной снесет в море береговой утес, меньше станет Европа. И также, если смоет край мыса или разрушит замок твой или друга твоего, смерть каждого человека умаляет и меня, ибо я един со всем человечеством. А потому не спрашивай никогда, по ком звонит колокол. Он звонит по тебе. Джон Донн.